Hello all, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to discuss about wildcards in regular expression. So if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. So let's get into our main topic, that is regular expression. So regular expressions are nothing but a dot character. So first let us change the topic here, wildcard in regular expression. Okay, so wildcards hold a special value in a regular expression. Okay, so the main difference between the other quantifiers and the regular expression is, see, the quantifiers are basically the indicators. Okay, that means like whatever it is followed by, it has a special meaning. But the thing in wildcard is it can match any regular expression. Okay, see, for example, in our previous video, like we have taken an example of A, B, and we have taken example of A, B, B, and where we try to match the pattern in the given input. Okay, but the thing in wildcard is it can match either a numeric character, it can match a string, or it can match any character. Okay, so I can say like wildcards are the nothing but they are the what we can say, they are the universal regular expression, I can say. So what I will do is like I will just try to take an example. Okay, what I will do is like print off find pattern, and here what I will do is like I will just try to take any character or a number. So what I will do is like I will put it as G. Okay, and here I will try to give the wildcard, that is a dot character. Okay, so here what I have done is print off find pattern, and here I have taken the input as some any character, like I have taken G. So you can take any character, guys. It's not that you have to take G only. You can take any number, or you can take any special character, or you can take anything. Okay, and here I have given the wildcard, that is a dot character. Okay, so now let's try to run this particular cell, and now let's see like what happens. So here you can see that the match is G, and it's found between the span of 0 to 1. Okay, so let me take one more example so that you can understand it in a better way. So here instead of character I will use some special character, instead of that letter I will try to give it as hash, and now let's see like whether this can match the pattern in the given input. Yes, you can see the match of ampersand symbol, and it's found between the span. And now let's try to take another example where we try to take multiple characters. What I will do is like BG, BH, G, and here I have taken the dot, that is a wildcard. Now let's try to run this particular cell. So here you can take the match is B, and it's found between the span of 0 to 1. Okay, so the more you practice on the wildcards, the more you understand about the wildcards. And if you want the formal definition of the wildcards, means what you can do is like wildcard in regular expression. So wildcard, which are a special characters, question mark and the asterisk or star characters that can be used to represent any single or multi-character sequence. The question mark matches any single character, while The star matches any sequence of 0 or more characters. So this is the formal definition of wildcards. If you want the formal definition, you can just paste it here. Okay. So that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. See you around all. Thank you. Bye bye.